are at Station 5. Station 5 is also Station 1. Don't get them confused. Station 5 is also Station 1. You can remember, let me remind you real quick. Walking Street, Envies, and Phillies. Alright? Now you're probably thinking to yourself, man, it's time to get back. No, it is not time to get back. At this point in time, you should be pretty drunk. You should be stumbling drunk. That's the key. Remember, these are the keys to the whole thing. You've got to be stumbling drunk. All right, time to get in a cab. No. What we will do is we will continue to walk. We are not getting in a cab. From now on, it's all foot action. Foot action. All right. So, where are we going to go from here? Let me show you where we're going to go from here. We are going to continue to walk up Fields Avenue. Now, at this point in time is a good time to buy your Viagras and Cialises, your vitamins. You don't want to get back to your room and you know, you can't perform, right? That's not going to happen. You don't want that to happen. Get as many Viagra and Cialis as you can. You want to be strong like bull. All right. So we're going to keep on walking. We're going to walk up to Station 5, and I'll show you what we're going to do at Station 5. However, if you want to hit all the clubs down through here, also, do not forget about these clubs down here. When they get across the street, you want to hit them all. You want to hit Ace. You want to hit Brown Sugar. You want to hit all these clubs. Once again, just go in, have a good time, drink some alcohol, ring the bell, throw the buckets of ping pong balls. You want to have a blast. Pretty self-explanatory. Once again, do not get yourself something to eat. We will get ourselves something to eat here as we head up the street. So there it is. Continue up here and knock yourself out. Have a good time. Remember, attention, attention, attention. You want attention. You want everybody to see you. All right, here we are at Station 6. This is the key station. If you have not gotten robbed up to this point, you've done pretty good, all right? But this is the key station number 6. Keep that in mind. What's going to happen here? First of all, where is key station number 6? After you have walked down Fields Avenue and hit all the bars down through there, you should be stumbling drunk by now. Stumbling drunk. All right. Here are some key landmarks. Main Gate Friendship Terminal. Here's where all your jeepneys run in and out of. All right. And to your left is your money exchanger. This is your key station here. What is going to happen at Station 6? Station 6 is where you are going to take all that money, all your currency that you brought from your hotel room in your briefcase, along with everything else I explained for you to bring. And you are going to exchange all that money here. All of it, all your foreign currency. $5,000, $10,000, US dollars, whatever you got. The big money, you are going to exchange it right here. Now, after you exchange it, you want to make sure that you got all your money. You don't want them to rip you off, right? Steal from you. Or maybe you do. What you want to do now, you still have your 2 beauties with you. You want to count it. Now you're looking at probably 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Prime time. Prime time. All right? You want to count it all. If you need help counting it, give it to your girls. Let your girls help you count it, right? But you want to count it out in the open. I would say a minimum of 10 times to count your money out in the open. Mind you, out in the open. Now it's going to be dark. There are going to be people around. They are going to see you count it. Remember, the key is to be noticed, all right? Once you count it, minimum of 10 times, you want to proceed down the street here, all right? Like I said, this is a key station. You're looking at a strong 9 out of 10, all right? These money changers, some are open 24/7, so you will have no problem. Here is where you want to come then. All right. At this point in time is where we're going to grab something to eat. All right. We are going to grab something to eat, some snacks. All right. Over here at Uncle John's. Uncle John's here on the corner. All right. Here's where you're going to grab something to eat, some snacks. All right. Make sure to go in there, open your briefcase, show everybody the amount of money and everything in your briefcase. All right. Now, my recommendation on where to stay, my recommendation is down this street here at Candy Palace, Candy Suites, the Candy Properties. That's where I recommend. All right. Why? Because you want to walk down this street right here. You want to walk down here with your girls, slowly, taking your time. Take your time, talk loud, laugh, stumble, have a good time. But this is Narciso Street. This is the street you want to be on. All right? Like I say, slowly walk down this street. Now, remember, you get confused, you get lost, you're saying, where do I find this? Where do I find that? What street is a bit, what street do I want to be on? Always, always, always break out your expensive cell phone, all right? Put it in front of you, bring up Google Earth, and Google Earth will get you to where you need to be. Like I said, get that phone out. Get it out in front of you. Let everybody see it as you're walking down the street. And you should be okay. You should be okay. Like I said, the main objective for you to get robbed is to be completely drunk, stumbling drunk, slobbering drunk. And if you got to throw up along the way, let it fly, let it fly. And also, stick out. You need to stick out like a sore thumb, right? You need to let everybody know you're here. You are the big baller in town. So with that, we're gonna wrap this up because there is one more step. All right, so we've made it back to our hotel room, our room where we're staying. And you're saying, damn, you gave all this advice and I still haven't gotten robbed. I don't believe it. Well, it's not over yet. It is not over yet. Remember now, you still have those 2 women that you picked up, those 2 freelance girls, or 3 or 4, whatever you decided. So now you're back in the hotel with these girls. And you're like, hey, it's time to get it on. Time to get it on. Stop. Stop right there. What you need to do is you need to get into your refrigerator, get a cold beverage, all right? Remember those Cialises? Well, boom, you need to take a few of them. Drink them down. You want to be strong like bull, because, you've been drinking. You might be a little on the droopy side. So now you take those pills. Next thing you want to do is you want to tell the girls, hey, girls, I want you girls to go in and take a shower. I want you to be nice and clean when we get it on. Nice and clean. So let the girls go in, start showering. You can leave the door open a little bit if you want to, peek on your prize. It's up to you. It's up to you if you want to peek on the prize. Meanwhile, while they're in there, what you need to do is take that briefcase, put it up on the desk, the table. Open that briefcase wide open. Take your phone, put your phone there. You need to take off all that Mr. T jewelry, all your gold, all your diamonds, all your bracelets, all your rings. You need to lay that on that table, that desk right next to your briefcase. Put it all right there. All right. The girls get done, and they get out. Say, ladies, I'm going to go take me a shower because I want to be clean. All right. Go into the bathroom. You close the door. make sure you close the door. All right? Get in there, brush your teeth, take a shower. Take about a 30-minute long shower. Why do I say 30 minutes? Because 30 minutes might take that long until that Viagra kicks in. All right? Once you see that Viagra kicking in, and you're like, whoa, let's go. Dry yourself off and come out. At this point in time, we're looking at a strong 10 of getting robbed. You're in there showering. These girls are out there. They're freelance girls. They could take that money. They could take that jewelry. They could take your briefcase, and they could roll because you're in the shower and you're drunk. Room spinning. All you know is the Viagra's working, right? If you come out and they're still there, you're like, damn, that didn't happen. It didn't happen. I wanted to get robbed. That was my objective. That's why I watched this video to make sure I get robbed. I get robbed. But it didn't happen. Now you're disappointed. But you're not, because the girls are there. So you get it on. You get it going on. There's only one thing left now. One thing left to do to increase a little bit more. You let them girls know, you know what, girls? I want you to spend the night here. Spend the night. I want you to be here. So they spend the night. All right. Now you got to tell yourself, you know what? Tomorrow I'm going to be hungover real bad. I'm sleeping in. Whatever noise I hear, whatever goes on, I'm sleeping until I can't sleep no more. So you wake up, and everything's still there. Girls are there, everything's still there. All I got to say at this point in time, if you didn't get robbed, I would suggest going down to the casino on Clark and just start gambling, because you would be the luckiest dude ever in the history of doing that to not get robbed. Or do it again the next night. Eventually it would happen. You might say, now, Philly, that is the dumbest video you've ever done. Okay, but you know what? Do the complete opposite of what I'm telling you. I've put out videos. Many others have put out videos on things to watch out for, things to avoid, things to look for. Don't walk places at night. Don't get so drunk you don't know where you're at. Don't pick up the freelance girls. Don't get so drunk that you have no clue on where you're at, how to get home. You're throwing up all over the place. You know, you're this, you're that. We put them out there. Yet, at least once a week, we hear people that are getting robbed. Now, can it happen? It can happen anywhere in this world. It could happen to me. I could be sober. I could be walking down the street during the daytime, minding my own business. And yes, it can happen. But you don't put yourself out there as a target. You don't vacation in this area as a big baller. Is it like this other areas? El Nido, Palawan, Boracay. Are other areas, does it happen there? It may. I don't hear about it. I only hear about it because of where we live here. So do the complete opposite of this video. But if you want to get robbed, and you're looking to get robbed because you want to be that big baller, look at me, I'm spending money. Here's a perfect video for you. I've laid it all out. Stations, step-by-steps, landmarks, where to go, how to act, what to do. It's up to you. It's up to you. A little different, right? A little different. So, all right, guys. With that, stay tuned. We're going to get back to the good old videos of Philly in the Philippines, and we will talk to you later.